Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening DevC++ and loading your console project. Once the project is ready, include Windows. H at the top so you can call console functions. You need to pick color codes now. They map hex-style values for foreground and background, because the API expects a single byte combining both. Make sure to save the file before compiling. This avoids confusion when you test colors and ensures your first run reflects the changes immediately. Once done, obtain the console handle using getSTD output handle, so you can control the window. Then assemble a color byte, foreground plus background shifted by 4 bits, and call set console text attribute, handle color code to apply it. Print a few sample lines so you can see contrast and readability. Change the code and recompile quickly to iterate. Make sure to explain in comments why the shift matters, because that prevents common color mapping mistakes during edits. To finish, reset the console color before exiting so other programs aren't left changed. Call set console text attribute, handle original color when done. Rebuild and run after edits and clear the output to avoid misreading results. If the color change doesn't appear, check that you included Windows. H, that the handle isn't null, and that you used the right combined code. Sometimes running devC++ as administrator or using a different terminal will alter behavior. Try that next if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.